So, Meralco at saka SMB. So, nanalo yung Meralco, no? Low scoring yung laro, no? Buzzer beater by Chris Newsome, yung nagpanalo sa Meralco dahil nakatabla yung San Miguel by a 3-point shot of Junmar Pajardo. Lumaban yung San Miguel pero hindi sila magkaroon ng sustained offensive attack dahil sa ganda ng depensa ng Meralco. And mabilis yung laro. They are not only fast on offense but napakabilis din nila sa depensa. Help side defense sila clicking, individual defense sila clicking. And then pag nakakasupalpal, pag nakaka-stop, nagpa-pass break sila. So nahihirapan yung San Miguel na humabol sa Meralco. So yun yung key. Meralco played with pace compared to San Miguel. Hindi natin napanood but dahil may ginagawa tayo. But yung highlights, yun yung obvious. Yun yung obvious. Congratulations sa Meralco on their first PBA All-Filipino title or first PBA title. Congratulations kay Coach Luigi, kay Coach Nena, at dun sa iba pang mga teams, no? So, finally, hindi lang Talk and Text, Ginebra o San Miguel yung nagcha-champion. At least ngayon, meron ng isang MVP team na nanalo. Kasi usually, Talk and Text, Ginebra, San Miguel, o Magnolia. Diba? Pero ngayon, meron ng isa pang MVP team, yung Meralco. So, at least may variation. So, yun lang po.